ASAP is a confidential voluntary reporting system that provides a near consequence-free environment whereby participants can identify safety issues and report information that might be critical in identifying potential precursors to accidents. When safety issues and events are identified, parties to the program can implement corrective actions to reduce the potential for accidents, incidents, and other safety-related events. The FAA began ASAP in 1997 with the Part 121 airlines. Today, it can involve any number of professional specialties within an organization. ASAP is carried out by an event review committee who, by consensus, implements corrective actions for the purpose of accident prevention. The ERC is made up of signatories to a Memorandum of Understanding with the FAA. A properly administered and collaborative ASAP program will exhibit a vibrant and successful culture of trust and balance and produce effective corrective actions.